Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Key Programmer is probably one of the most versatile and useful tools for anyone working with car keys, whether you're a professional locksmith, an automotive technician, or a DIY enthusiast who enjoys tackling car maintenance projects. This video will cover everything you need to know about choosing the right key programmer for your needs, from understanding the different types of key programmers available to exploring the essential features and functionalities you should look for. Number 5. XTOOL D7 OBD2 Scanner. It offers faster diagnostics, longer battery life, and wider vehicle compatibility. Its upgraded battery ensures all-day use, and it supports more vehicle models than ever before. It offers advanced features typically found only in expensive professional OBD2 scanners, but at a fraction of the cost. This includes 4000 plus active tests and bidirectional PIDs, ECU coding, and 36 plus special functions. It offers true bidirectional control, letting you send commands to components and monitor sensor responses live. This helps catch elusive issues, even those without warning lights. It gives you full access to all vehicle systems, delivering deep, accurate diagnostics. You can easily view live data streams, retrieve freeze-frame data, and run active tests to pinpoint issues quickly. It packs 36 plus common and advanced maintenance functions. Save money on shop fees for tasks like battery registration, throttle body relearn, or TPMS resets. It offers ECU coding for European cars to optimize performance and performs bidirectional control tests. It also handles critical maintenance like battery registration and injector coding. It supports 24 languages, making it easy for auto mechanics all over the globe to use. It also receives regular updates to keep up with the latest vehicle models. What we like. It offers true bidirectional control, allowing you to send commands to vehicle components and monitor responses. With 36 plus special functions, including various resets and ECU coding, it saves you time and money on repairs. If you're a professional mechanic or serious DIYer needing advanced features, this is the tool for you. What people say. This latest model supports DUI-IP, FCA, and CNFD protocols, which are great additions. Plus, it comes with 3 years of free software updates. The XTOOL D7 is a very powerful and comprehensive diagnostic tool with an 8 PID count for live data, with the option of a normal list of graphs or a 2D overlay of all 8 PIDs that allows the filtering out of non-relevant PIDs to be able to focus on the freeze-frame action of specific PIDs as they interact with the other selected ones. I purchased the tool to reset transmission adapts on my GM6T70 and worked great. I always wanted a scan tool capable of more than just the cheap little code readers. Also was able to program my spare key I had purchased and cut but didn't have programmed yet. Number 4. Key Fob Replacement Kit. Say goodbye to expensive dealership visits. This kit lets you replace your car key fob quickly and easily, saving you time and money. It comes with interchangeable 4 and 5 button keypads, so you can customize it to your needs. Everything you need is included in one convenient kit. It includes all the essential buttons, lock, unlock, panic, and even remote start if your car has that feature. It's designed for ease of use. This kit works with various Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, and Volkswagen models. Check for compatibility with your specific car year, make, and model. Installation is a breeze. Just connect the programmer to your vehicle and follow the simple instructions. You can do it yourself in under 10 minutes. You can program up to 8 key fobs for a single vehicle using this kit. It's a practical and economical solution for all your key fob needs. What we like. This key programmer features interchangeable keypads for added convenience and is incredibly easy to install yourself. It's also a budget-friendly option for replacing car keys. If you're looking for a simple, affordable solution to replace your car key, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. This thing is amazing. I had the key programmed in about 5 minutes. The hardest thing was plugging in the module to the onboard diagnostic from inside the truck. Made 2 new key fobs in minutes. It worked first try on 2012 Dodge Ram. I only had 1 key, so I used it to make a spare. All original key functions programmed including the remote start. Number 3. XTOOL InPlus IP616 version 2.0. It's here. The new XTOOL InPlus IP616 version 2.0 OBD2 scanner is here, packed with power and enhanced features to take your diagnostic capabilities to the next level. Get ready for a smoother, faster, and more efficient experience. Enjoy its redesigned user interface for smooth navigation and reduced downtime with faster Type-C charging. The doubled storage capacity provides more room for a seamless user experience. It supports CAN-FD and DoIP protocols for enhanced data transfer speeds and seamless connectivity. The Enhanced Diagnostic Report 2.0 lets you customize reports to boost efficiency. This tool boasts 31 plus popular special functions, including oil, EPB, TPMS, and more. Remember, special service compatibility varies by vehicle, so check before purchase. It performs in-depth diagnostics for all systems, engine, transmission, body, and more. View 8 live data PIDs simultaneously in one graph for a comprehensive overview. It can perform ECU configuration on select vehicles to optimize performance and includes ABS bleeding to resolve brake issues. Always check compatibility beforehand. It supports over 10,000 vehicles globally and offers 15 languages. It's designed to work seamlessly with US, European, Asian, and Australian vehicles. It features intelligent auto VIN identification for quick diagnosis and allows you to share diagnostic reports easily. One-click Wi-Fi updates keep it current and efficient. What we like. This scanner provides 31 plus special functions and performs in-depth diagnostics on all vehicle systems. It also comes with lifetime software updates, ensuring you always have the latest features. If you need a comprehensive and always up-to-date diagnostic tool, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The IP616 can definitely keep up and even surpass some of the big name scan tools with its 30 plus special functions and resets. Full system scan is also a great feature because one may find DTCs in modules that other scanners would be unable to access. In the short time I've had this tool I was able to program Honda keys, non-smart, and do maintenance on EPB system on an Acura with no problem. The graphing and the magnitude of live data that is available is very helpful and makes up for it not being a bidirectional tool. With the live data you able see the state of switches and sensors as they are activated whether manually or automatically. Number 2. XTOOL InPlus IP616 version 2.0. It's faster, smarter, and more powerful than ever before. Say goodbye to slow, outdated scanners and hello to effortless diagnostics and resets. It supports over 31 essential reset functions, saving you time and money on costly repairs. Complete common car maintenance in minutes, right from your garage. It provides dealer-level diagnostics for all vehicle systems. Quickly identify and resolve issues with its comprehensive scan and real-time data analysis. It comes with free lifetime software updates, ensuring you always have the latest vehicle coverage and diagnostic capabilities. Stay ahead of the curve with effortless one-click updates. It allows you to activate or deactivate hidden features, personalizing your driving experience. Take control and enjoy dealer-level customizations without the high cost. It automatically detects your vehicle's VIN and displays up to 8 live data streams simultaneously. Diagnose with precision and generate professional reports in seconds. This upgraded version boasts support for FCA AutoAuth for newer Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Fiat models, along with CAN-FD and DoIP protocols for faster data transmission and broader vehicle coverage. What we like. It supports 31 plus essential reset functions, saving you time and money on maintenance. It also offers full system diagnostics and the ability to activate hidden features. If you value convenience and the ability to customize your vehicle, this is a great option. What people say. This thing is a must for someone who wants more than just a scanner code reader. Has many useful features on it. Pretty much does most things a garage would charge you to do. It can do most things a dealership scanner can do. It read some codes that I didn't know was active on my truck, which prevented further issues. This tool saved me over $500 to program 2 key fobs of 2 of my Toyota Prius. Easy to program and worked flawlessly. It can diagnose most of the trouble of your car and shows the very descriptive instructions of the symptoms. Number 1. Xhorse VVDI Mini Key Tool. This handy tool is a game changer for key programmers. It supports both iOS and Android, making it incredibly versatile. It supports TP transponders and many special ones, covering over 700 vehicle models. This significantly reduces the need to stock large quantities of transponders. Clone remotes with ease, whether they use HCS, fixed code, or non-HCS rolling code. It supports a wide variety of chip types. Generate remotes for over 2,000 vehicle models from 128 brands. It provides comprehensive key data, including pictures and matching information. It tests the power within the 300 to 450 MHz range, ensuring accurate and reliable results. This version doesn't initially support 96-bit ID48 transponder copying. However, you can unlock this feature by generating 10 Xhorse remotes and collecting points. What we like. This key programmer supports transponder generation, remote cloning, and remote generation for a wide range of vehicles. It streamlines the key programming process and reduces the need for a large stock of transponders. If you're a locksmith or key programmer needing efficient and versatile tool, this is for you. What people say. Aún me estoy familiarizando con la herramienta, cumple con sus especifications y sus funciones. Need a original key and then you can create other smart key with it. With free 96-bit 48 clone function, and you can have one free token each day for 1 year. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.